Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A quick look at the day's satellite loop, and we see that it was cloudy in the far eastern parts as a high pressure system that's ridging out into the Indian Ocean. It's pushing in moisture along the coastline, and that resulted in a cloudy and cool day with a bit of rainfall over KZN and the Eastern Cape. There were a few afternoon thunder showers over northern Lesotho, while much of the Highveld was partly cloudy and dry, but further westwards it was sunny and very hot where temperatures rose above 30 degrees. Not too much change on Friday in the pattern. We're going to continue seeing moisture pushing in over the eastern parts. Morning fog patches for the escarpment. The cloud cover will thin out in the afternoon. A bit of rainfall still expected for some parts of the Eastern Cape coastline, and we're expecting a few thunder showers once again over the Highveld. Westwards, cloud cover will be moving in over these areas, but it still remains dry for the meantime, and it's going to be a very hot day for some parts of the Northern and Western Cape. In KwaZulu-Natal, a warmer day for this province. There'll be thunder showers over the western and southern parts, including around the Port Shepstone area. A bit of rainfall along the Eastern Cape coastline, including East London and Port St John's, and a possibility for thunder showers in Queenstown as well as Elliot. No rain as we head further westwards, although it will be partly cloudy. Still quite cool along the south coast, while over the interior of the Western Cape and towards the Atlantic seaboard, we're expecting some very high temperatures, particularly over the western interior. Vredendal is expecting a maximum temperature of 42 degrees on Friday afternoon. A very hot day as well for the Northern Cape interior. Some places will rise above 40 degrees as well, especially along the border with our northern neighbours. And into the Free State, some high temperatures expected. Still dry for Bloemfontein as well as Welkom, but a possibility for thunder showers in Bethlehem and Harrismith. No rain on the other hand for the northwest. Temperatures above 30 degrees in the afternoon for almost all areas. There will be some cloud development, but as I've mentioned, no rainfall expected. Cloudy at first for some parts of Limpopo, but partly cloudy and dry in the afternoon. And there'll be morning fog over parts of Mpumalanga, and in the afternoon hours for this province, a possibility for isolated thunder showers over the western Highveld in particular. Similar conditions for Gauteng. 28 degrees as a high for Soweto and Johannesburg, and Pretoria gets to 30. Let's look ahead to the weekend, and we're expecting thunder showers over parts of the interior. A very hot day along the south coast. George gets to 33 degrees, and there'll be a cool change coming in on Sunday for the Western Cape, but very hot with isolated storms for Mahikeng and Pretoria, both reaching a high of 34.